When Russia made its latest move, the world watched in silence. But the United States? It mobilized. This isn't just a routine exercise, it's a message, a warning, and it begins with one of the largest U.S. military drills in recent memory. Tensions have been rising for months. Russian fighter jets buzzing NATO airspace, missile tests in the Arctic, and covert naval movements near the Baltic. But it was a sudden escalation, the deployment of long-range strategic bombers near Alaska, and renewed aggression in Eastern Europe that changed everything. To Washington, this wasn't posturing, it was a provocation, and it demanded a response. Within 48 hours, the Pentagon launched Operation Iron Resolve, a full-scale multi-branch exercise involving tens of thousands of troops. In the skies, B-2 Spirit stealth bombers roared into deployment. On the seas, 2 U.S. carrier strike groups converged in the North Atlantic, and on land, elite Army and Marine units conducted rapid assault drills near NATO's eastern flank. Cyber units were placed on high alert, satellites repositioned. This wasn't just defense, it was deterrence, by force projection. But this drill wasn't just American muscle. NATO allies joined in. British Typhoons, German Leopard tanks, Polish mechanized infantry, and even Swedish air defense systems. Together, they executed simulated repulsions of a hybrid attack, combining conventional warfare with cyber strikes and drone incursions. From HIMARS rocket artillery to autonomous drone swarms, the message was clear. The alliance is unified, ready, and capable of overwhelming force, anywhere, anytime. Analysts are calling this the most significant show of American force since the height of the Cold War. The Kremlin responded with strong rhetoric, but noticeably restrained military activity. Behind closed doors, however, global powers are recalculating. Because the United States just demonstrated something crucial, it can go from standby to full-spectrum war-ready in a matter of days. And in a world of shifting alliances, power isn't just about weapons, it's about will. This drill may end in a matter of days, but its echo will last much longer. Russia pushed, America answered, and in doing so, it reminded the world of a simple truth. Peace is maintained not by promises, but by preparedness. This is just the beginning of a new global chessboard. Whose move is next? Subscribe for more real-time military breakdowns, because the next shift could be just one missile away.